Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Town Hall 9 in Clash of Clans, a truly exciting and pivotal phase of the game. At this level, you unlock game-changing heroes like the Archer Queen and powerful troops such as the Lava Hound, which open up many new attack strategies. The game's meta has shifted quite a bit over time, so understanding current effective approaches for both farming and war is absolutely crucial. Let's dive in and explore exactly how to dominate at TH9 in the evolving game landscape. For war attacks at Town Hall 9, Queen Walk Laloon is undeniably one of the most potent strategies available. It combines careful hero pathing with a powerful air assault, often securing triple-star victories. Another excellent option is Go Ho, utilizing golems to tank for your Hog Riders, which can tear through defenses. Always scout your opponent's base carefully to choose the best strategy for maximum impact. When it comes to defending your base at Town Hall 9, smart layout is incredibly important. For war, you'll often see two main types: anti-2-star designs that protect your town hall and anti-3-star layouts that spread out key defenses to confuse attackers. Always ensure your air defenses and X-bows are well protected, as these are critical. Regularly updating your base helps counter current popular attack strategies. Managing your resources efficiently at Town Hall 9 is crucial for rapid progress. A smart approach involves prioritizing your laboratory upgrades for the troops you use most often in attacks. Continuously upgrading your Archer Queen and Barbarian King is also absolutely vital, as their abilities significantly impact your success. Furthermore, focus on offensive structures like your army camps and Spell Factory early on to maximize your attacking power. To truly master Town Hall 9, consistently practice new attack strategies. Use friendly challenges or regular multiplayer battles to refine your techniques and troop placements. Joining an active and supportive clan is also incredibly beneficial, allowing you to learn from experienced players and participate in clan wars. By following these steps and planning your upgrades, you'll be well prepared for a smooth and successful transition to Town Hall 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.